So we've added two new features to 2FAS Pass. You can now create secure notes and store credit card details in your vault. When you open 2FAS Pass, at the top you can see two new categories, secure notes and credit cards. Now if you don't see them, just make sure to go to App Store or Google Play depending on your phone and update the app. Let's start with security notes. You add them like any other item. Click the plus button and secure notes. Give it a name, let's call it secure. And here you can write your note. Next thing is security tiers. Just like with credentials, they regulate how your item is shared with the browser extension. Let's leave it to secret right now and click the check mark. Adding credit cards looks pretty much the same. Again, plus button and card this time. Give it a name and write all the details. Alright, once you are done, click the blue check mark. And as you can see, your card has been added to the list. Since we've set the security tier to secret on both secure note and our card, we can access them from the browser extension. Click on the extension icon in your browser and choose the card you want to use. As you can see, all of the payment info was automatically filled in. Now if you click on the secret note, you can copy its text or view and even edit from the browser extension. Both secure notes and credit cards are properly encrypted. Everything is stored locally on your device and there is no cloud dependency by default. Everything is under your control. The last thing, and perhaps the most important one, is backups. There are various ways to backup your items into FAS Pass. For all of them we have dedicated tutorials, link in the description. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have any questions, make sure to join our Discord server, link in the description, you can ask them there or in the comments section under this video. Subscribe and see you in the next tutorials.